Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Yesenia, also known as Yes. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, what is up? Today we have a makeup tutorial and it is a Vampy Fall one. And I am partnering up with Ipsy to show you guys what I got in this month's glam bag. I will be incorporating these products into the makeup look. So if you guys want to watch how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with our balm as usual. This one right here is actually a little man from London that Rox brought back when she went out there. Now that our lips are nice and hydrated, we are ready to start. So as you can see, I already started off with my eyebrows. So we're gonna go ahead and start off this look with my eyes. For my transition shade, I'm gonna be using this shadow right here. It's from Ipsy in the shade Boho. It's like a really nice, like mauve-y shade. Wait, so I just have to show you guys the shade because as I was dipping my brush in it, it just looked super like creamy and buttery. So I just got the urge to swatch, but yeah, so this is what the shade looks like. I mean, I'm sure you're already seeing it on my eyes, but, and it's really pigmented too. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out with another fluffy brush. So for my eyelid, I'm gonna be using the same shadow, but with a smaller brush to just kind of really like focus the color in there. Make it look a little bit darker than the blended out parts. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and line my top lash line very thinly with my Maybelline Precise, what is it called? Master Precise. And I'm just kind of gonna like lay it almost like that, where it's like barely anything. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now I'm gonna go in with this Winky Lux purple eyeshadow in the shade Ursula. You do wanna use something that's very blendable and long wearing, just because we are gonna be putting this on our eyelid. So we wanna be sure that that's where it's gonna stay and it's not gonna transfer to like our lid. So what we're gonna be doing is just with like a flat little brush, we're just gonna go ahead and kind of brush in there. So we're kind of just gonna like smudge it up there. Alright guys, so before we go in with our eyelashes, I'm going to be going in with this Hey Honey Look Into My Eyes eye mask. This is going to go ahead and really brighten up our under eye area and smooth out any kinds of wrinkles that we have. So we're just going to go ahead and go under here. It smells so good. Alright, so now we're going to be moving on to our face, and I'm going to be going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. You guys know that I have been loving this stuff recently, so we're just going to go up here, nose. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way, and this is in the shade Sand. We're just going to go ahead and all in. To highlight my face, I'm going to be going in with this Filter First Luminous Concealer from Laura Geller. I actually really like the applicator to this. You guys can see it's kind of like, ooh, I feel like putting my hand there actually makes it worse. But you can see that it's like a really fluffy applicator. It kind of reminds me of the one from Maybelline. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with this Take Home the Bronze from the Balm Cosmetics. It's in this super cute little like package. I always love the Balm's packaging. They have the cutest packaging. So we're just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and just, ooh, kind of really went in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Blends out really nicely too. All right, we're gonna go in here. All right, so to go ahead and set all of our concealer, we're just gonna go ahead and go in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach Powder and the flat side of my sponge. Just go in here. I'm gonna do a little bit right here just to really define our bronzer. Oh my god, I'm telling you, the particles of this always gets me because it smells and tastes so good. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and tap that all in. For my highlighter, I'm going in with this one right here, which is the e.l.f. Illuminating Cream. I have been obsessed with this, you guys. I've been using it non-stop. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in with our sponge. Go in here. For my highlighter, I'm going to be going in with this one from Artist Couture in the shade Hot Damn. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here from the Sigma Beauty blush palette. I'm just going to go ahead and go in. Just lightly feather it out. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be going back in with that Itsy shadow. Just kind of blend that out. Alright guys, so for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be going in with this Glow Pro Stellar Highlight from City Color Cosmetics in the shade Nebula. It's like a really nice like blue iridescent shade. And you do want to use something that's very pigmented. So as you can see, bam, it really just is in there. Something that's really pigmented and long lasting, because since our eyes sometimes do get watery, you don't want it to like come off easily. Alright, so I just lined my lips with my Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Pencil in the shade 10C. Now I'm going to be going in with this lipstick from Oriza in the shade Opus. It's like a really nice, like vampy red shade, as you can see. And it does have a semi-matte, semi-satin finish. So that'll be really nice. Ooh, it's super pigmented. Alright, so we're going to be going in with our Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. You guys know that I absolutely love this mascara. It's one of the very few that I can actually use. So we're just going to go ahead and go in here to blend our real lashes with our falsies. And I'm going to be going a little bit on my lower lash line on the edge. Oh, I got a chunky in there, and that is not good. There we go. So it just kind of like opens up the eye a little bit. Alright, so now to finish off the look, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray, which is this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again to Ipsy for partnering up with me on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a big thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time.